Hey everyone, thanks for listening to the Grow Your Life podcast. My name is Jeremiah Krakowski, and on this podcast I talk about ways for coaches, trainers, and mentors to scale their businesses using online tools, direct response marketing. I've been in this space for over 21 years, and I help people every single week scale their businesses to success. Now today I want to talk about writing emails and using email marketing. Email marketing is an invaluable tool that we use, and getting people on your email list is the number one most important thing that you need to do in your business. Once you have them on your list, though, then what do you actually send to people? And that's what the podcast today is going to be all about, is what I recommend that you should do. And what I like to do now is we have incredible access to tools like Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic. If you go to Claude.ai, you can get access to this right away and be able to actually use this. You just sign up and sign in with your email address, and they give you access to Claude to be able to write some of the best quality emails on the planet overall for you and your business. And so that's what I would recommend overall, is using Claude 3.5 Sonnet or above to be able to do that, okay? And so here's what we'll do is I want to write an email to promote a Black Friday special. Send this to my warm market list about a bundle of classes included about starting their business, finding their niche, running Facebook ads, a bonus copywriting training from our Client Growth Accelerator group. Okay, write it in a persuasive tone. And if I go into Claude Sonnet and I tell it to do this, and right away I was able to just log in and get access to Claude, completely free to be able to do this. And it's one of the highest quality email writing tools that's out there for you. If you want to write exceptional emails for your business, you want to use Claude. You cannot sleep on this. It's amazing. Hope you're doing well. I'm reaching out to put something very special that I think you're going to love, especially if you've been thinking about starting and growing your business. For Black Friday only, I'm offering my most comprehensive bundle of events, okay? So this is awesome. This right here is an email that I could send out to my list. I didn't have to take 20 minutes and come up with ideas for it. I was able to go right ahead with this AI tool and be able to write that. Let's say that you want to, I'm hosting a live event November 30th. I want people to register. It's all about creating Instagram ads. I'm not actually hosting an event on that day, but I'm using that as an example. It's all about creating Instagram ads that convert and how to set them all up. Include an invite to the Zoom call and write it in a persuasive tone, okay? And so again, no matter what emails that you're going to come up with, Claude is able to do this. And by the way, if you're listening to this, you're like, what is he talking about? I have on the YouTube version of this podcast it on my screen where you can see this. Here's the email right here. Master Instagram ads in one day. Join our workshop. Quick question. Are you watching your Instagram ad budget disappear? Let's see. I want this email, and we're going to modify it, geared towards beginner coaches who want to run ads for the first time, to low-cost ads and low-ticket offers. Okay? And so it's going to adjust the email even based on what I just told it right here. And this is how I'm writing most of our emails that we're sending out to anybody, is I'm using Claude to be able to do this. New coach, learn to run Instagram ads first without breaking the bank. Does this sound familiar? Excited to run your coaching business, but then the thought of running Instagram ads feels overwhelming. I get it. I was once in your shoes, afraid to spend money on ads, so I didn't want to waste a startup budget. This is perfect for if you're just starting your business, you never ran ads before, you have a small budget, you're looking to promote a low-ticket offer. Tech makes you nervous. We're going to show you how to set up your first campaign, how to start with $5 a day and scale up, the easiest way to find coaching client. So this is amazing. This is, again, an email written right here that you can use for this. And so Claude AI is the number one best tool overall to be able to use for creating sales copy, for creating email copy, for writing emails overall, okay? And so keep this in mind, keep this in your arsenal. Another piece of advice that I always give people when it comes to their email marketing is keep a swipe file. What is a swipe file? Well, a swipe file is a file of emails that are written from other people that you can borrow ideas from. And so what I do is I actually have a swipe file account. A swipe file account is an email account that's in Gmail that's signed up for a bunch of different offers. I've signed up for every single thing using this email account for years, to be able to see what offers are being sent out to people, and these give me ideas for what to send out to my own list. Like if I just go right now into my swipe file email account and I just type in the word Black Friday, let's see what is being sent for Black Friday right here. Look at this. These are the Black Friday emails that are already going out to my list, well, to me from the list right here. My Black Friday course bundle, because you snagged early access to my once a year bundle. So here's one thing that I can do is I can actually copy this email from the swipe file, and I can go here to Claude, and let's go back to our recent chat all about, let's see, writing emails that we were just working on right now. Black Friday launch bundle. Okay. Can you rewrite the Black Friday email but use the following as a template for the tone of writing the email? Okay. So what I did was I copied this email that I got from Amy Porterfield right here, and I told it to use it as a template for my own email. Okay. Because you're getting early access to this, I'm including 4 of my best programs for the price of one. I wonder how they built if you ever wonder how do they build such a successful business, this bundle is for you. Complete Business Launch Bundle includes the Business Foundations Masterclass, Niche Mastery Workshop, Facebook Ads Intensive. All right. Premium copywriting training from our Client Growth Accelerator program. Grab all of this by this date. You'll have a whopping $1,500. You'll save a whopping $1,500 on my system. To be honest, I'm offering it, and that's what I could say is I could edit this and I could say, okay, great email, but my offer is only going to be $4.95 for the Black Friday special. Okay, so it's going to be a very low ticket offer. Excited to give you early access for just $4.95. That's not a typo. Absolutely crazy price. Includes all of this. Value is this much. If you grab it by this, you'll save. Math isn't my strong suit, but even I know that's bananas. So again, great email to send out. Exceptional email, in fact, that I could send out to my list right there. And so we need to stop overthinking our email marketing. Number one, you need to be writing your list often. You need to stay top of mind to your email list. You need to stay in front of them consistently. And that's what's going to get people to buy from you. Because again, sales is your number one most important thing in your business. Fulfillment and delivering results to your client is important for delivering on what you say you are promising when they become a client. But you don't have a business if you're not getting clients, if you don't have people buying from you and becoming a client. And so email marketing is a huge part of that strategy. Is you can create an offer based on what people desire, okay? So here's their desires, and you're going to deliver that. You're going to give them what they desire. And in exchange, they're going to give you their email address, okay? And so that's why once they're on your email address, because you gave them what they desire, if you're a coach, if you're a course creator, giving people what they desire is giving away your best content, giving away your best ideas in exchange for an email address, in exchange for that email address, and delivering that in the form of like a webinar or something like that. It's not super complicated, but I think a lot of people overcomplicate this process of getting emails, and then once they have them, they're not writing their list enough. They're not emailing their list enough. They're not sending enough emails. They're dragging their feet. They're afraid of upsetting people. They're afraid of annoying people with their emails. Y'all, You gotta grow past that fear and worry of annoying other people with your emails. For you to be able to have a successful business, you have to consistently stay top of mind in front of people so that they know that you're there. And so develop your swipe file, grow your swipe file, sign up, go on X, go on TikTok, go on Twitter, that's X, go on Facebook, go on YouTube, go on Instagram, and click on people's advertisements. Leave the ManyChat comments on people's posts to get sent lead magnets, and then join their email list to see what emails they are sending to people. And that's what a swipe file does, is it gives you access to dozens upon dozens upon dozens of emails that you can send or modify to your list any way you want. You know, if I took this email right here, here's another simple one right here. Let's rewrite the, and I got this from my swipe file right here. It's another type of email, super short. Let's rewrite the email based on the following template for style, tone, and cadence, or based on the above, okay? Template, here we go. And let's see what kind of email it creates based on this. We're prepping our insane offer. We're testing our systems to make sure they run smoothly. Would you mind testing it for us? As a big thank you for being a tester, you can grab our entire Black Friday bundle for this much. Click here to test the system and lock in your price. That is so funny. Can you help me test it? That's what this email is all about. Can you help us test this out? That's actually a pretty great email hook right there, okay? And so I can go through my swipe file and I can see which Black Friday emails have been sent out to people, what's going out, and then I can have AI help me to rewrite my emails based on this, based on maybe some ideas or something that's in my swipe file. Here's one from Groove. This is a software right here. Okay, let's see. Rewrite the email based on the following template. Okay, I'm going to paste another email in there as a template, and you're going to see what it's going to create follows a similar format to that template right here. Someone who's transformed hundreds of coaching businesses with these strategies. I want to share something extraordinary with you. If you want to launch your business the right way, find and attract the right clients, create perfect marketing, let me explain why it's possible. Building your first business is meant to be overwhelming. But even if you have ever felt like starting a business sounds like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, you're not alone. One day you're excited. Great. So this is another great email. And those are 3 emails right there over the course of 13 minutes that for my Black Friday promo, I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to borrow some of these. I'm going to use them. Now, one of the things that I recommend to do is this, is take the emails that the AI creates and become an editor. Go into Grammarly, edit the grammar, make sure all of that's in order, and then edit it so that it actually sounds like you. Edit things that maybe aren't how you would say it, but what the AI gives you is it gives you the ability, it gives you an initial structure that you can use to get off the ground quickly, to iterate, to not have to waste time. And then from there, you're able to identify, okay, here's an idea for an email. Let's send this out. Let's test this out. And as you start staying consistent with your emails, you're going to be blown away by the responses that you get. You must engage with your email list. No questions about it. And so listen, if you're a coach, mentor, trainer, and you want to know, Jeremiah, how can I work with you further to be able to help me grow my business? I'd love to see you in my Client Growth Accelerator program. I'd love to work with you. There's a video below you can actually access in the description all about how to add 20 new clients to your business. I'm going to walk you through that process and give you an opportunity to jump into our accelerator program in that video. So check that out as well. It's on the YouTube version of this, and grow your life. And we'll talk soon, everybody. Have a good one.